Hi everybody, Steve and Val here. We're going to do a taste test for you here this morning. It's called New Carmel Maple Corn, made with Canadian maple syrup. This is,
They come from the international market.
I believe so.
Yeah, I think this is one of them that we picked up from the international market when we were shopping down there. So
It is a product of Korea, believe it or not.
huh, Carmel Maple Corn. It has 160 calories, about five servings per container, 8 grams of fat. So, it's your average snack. Let's see if Steve can open the bag.
Success.
It's a nice day. It's been raining the last couple days on and off, but it's a nice morning this morning, so we're taking advantage of the beautiful weather. What do you got?
It smells like maple syrup.
It does.
It looks like a
Ooh,
cheese puff.
got a very strong maple smell. Real maple, real heavy maple flavor.
Just a corn puff.
Almost tastes like a cereal.
Yeah, it does. It's
That's
a corn puff.
I like it.
See?
You like it? I could probably eat this whole bag. 'Cause I love the taste of maple and honey.
It's all yours, dear.
I love it.
I don't care for it too much.
You don't?
That's alright.
Yeah, this is dangerous around me. I won't have to buy these again because I'll eat the whole bag. You don't like them?
We should have had Adeline. We should have taste tested them on Father's Day with Adeline, see what she thought.
Yeah, she'd have probably liked them. Alright, I give it a thumbs up. I give it 2 thumbs up. Steve, not so much.
I'll give it a sideways thumb.
Alright, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and a like. Bye.